guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look because I'm creating this super bright, tropical, summery look. It is so fun and colorful. I love it. And I'm going to be using the new Buxom Extrovert eyeshadow palette. When I saw this palette, I was so drawn to it. It is so beautiful and summery. Look at that. And that yellow immediately drew my eyes to it. So I had to create a look using this palette. And what's super cool about it is that the eyeshadows are primer infused. So I was really curious to see how the application and blendability and pigmentation of all the shadows would be. So I also asked you on a poll on my Instagram story whether you guys wanted to see a teal look or bronzy look, and teal won by a majority, so that is what I did for you guys today. And also, if there are any other shadows in this palette that you want me to use to create another look, definitely let me know down in the comments because I have a couple of other looks in mind. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Buxom Cosmetics Extrovert eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going into is Gimme Gorgeous. I'm going to start off with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush and just start running the shadow through my crease. So you're not really going to see it right now, but it's going to help blend everything through the crease area a little bit later on, and it's just adding a little bit of dimension through my crease. I'm now going into Rare. Now with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to apply this just a little bit first out here on the outer half of my lid, and then I'm going to start creating a line going up towards the tail of my brow. So I'm basically going to be creating a winged out shape and then going back and then picking up a little bit more shadow, and I'm going to start applying this on my lid. So I'm just sweeping it towards this halfway point on my lid. And then with the crease area, I'm going to lightly, so I'm holding the brush at the very end of the handle, just so I have a really light control. I'm going to start lightly bringing that up towards the crease. I want the winged out shape to still stay there, so I'm kind of going to diffuse it from this point and on. I'm not going to touch the very outer corner, just because I really want that winged out liner shape there. So I'm lightly just diffusing this into the crease. And then I'm just picking up a little bit more and doing those same exact steps by applying that on my lid and on this outer wing part right here, and then lightly diffusing that up into the crease area. You can go back and forth and do these steps as much as you want until you get that intensity and opacity that you like. You can also pick up a little bit of the shadow on your finger and just tap it just to get it really intense, and then diffuse that out with the brush. And then I'm going to take just a clean E25 blending brush by Sigma and start blending the very high point of where that blue shadow meets that Gimme Gorgeous shadow. Now picking up Enigma, and then I just wiped off this F70 concealer brush by Sigma. I always have a tissue or napkin or paper towel next to me just so I can wipe off the brushes when I need to pick up a new color. So I'm now applying this on this inner half of my lid, and then bringing that into the crease area a little bit again, just by going back and forth and sweeping that in there. And I'm just picking up more and tapping that over, and then tapping that right where these two shadows will meet to help blend everything out. And I'm also not bringing up the shadow too high into my crease area. I'm just kind of keeping it just at the very low point right here. Now I'm picking up Gimme Gorgeous just on the tip of this E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start applying that through the crease just in the center, and then diffusing that towards this inner part of my crease and then towards the outer part of my crease. Again, avoiding the very outer corner of this liner, just going back and forth until it's nicely diffused out. And now picking up Rare and applying that on this outer half of my lower lash line. So I'm basically going to mimic the same thing that's up on my lid on my lower lash line. And then with Enigma, I'm applying that on this inner half of my lower lash line, but I'm stopping it right about here because I'm going to be applying a yellow shadow on the inner part. For my inner corner, I'm picking up Pop. I'm going to apply this right on the inner corner up here and then down here. Look at how pretty that is. This made the look so much more tropical. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Electric. I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Carity Reusable 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie. And that's the eye look done. I'm first going to start off by lining my lips, and I'm going to kind of fill them in, do a little lip contour here and there. So I'm going to the NYX Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Nude Truffle. Now for lipstick, I'm going into this really pretty nude shade, so it looks a little pale, but that's why I'm going to pair it with a darker lip liner and then kind of just buff it out and make my lips look nice and plump. So this is the Ofra X Jen Loves Review's Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Revive. I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick in the center of my lips, and then using my finger just to pat out the lipstick and diffuse that out. This is the Smashbox lip brush, and I'm kind of just going to diffuse the edges and blend the lip liner into the lipstick. So I love this lip combination. You can definitely leave it like this, nice and matte, but I think I want to add a little bit of a gloss, and I'm going to go into this Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish in Charlie. It is such a pretty gloss, and I like to apply the gloss just in the center. And that is it. This is the completed look of my Teal Smokey Cat Eye using the Buxom Extrovert Eyeshadow Palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed with that pop of yellow on the inner corner. I just feel like it took it to such a nice, bright, tropical, summery feel. I'm obsessed with it. I hope that you guys are as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'll be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!